Hello, my friends. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 398th episode and the third episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2020. There's three things that I love and adore since my childhood: sweet potatoes, honey buns, and cake. So why not combining the three together and make a sweet potato honey bun cake? Oh yes, baby. How tasty does that sound? And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And it's going to be full of sweet potato and honey bun goodness. And if you're a fan of sweet potatoes and honey buns, y'all going to fall in love with this cake. And also, this would be great to serve at your Thanksgiving table. It is to die for. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my sweet potato recipes playlist and my previous video, pumpkin spice oatmeal. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your cake mix, your brown sugar, and your sweet potato sugar, because we're about to bake some sweet potato honey bun cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our brown sugar filling. In my bowl, I have a half a cup of chopped walnuts, or you can use pecans or peanuts or any kind of nuts. And we're going to add in 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and 1 1/4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Give this a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to set this aside while we work on the cake batter. In my large bowl, I have 1 package of cake mix. I'm using the butter golden, or you can use the yellow. And into our cake mix, we're going to add in a half a cup of canola oil, 4 jumbo eggs at room temperature, a half a cup of mayonnaise. Going to make it super moist. And make sure you use real mayonnaise for this recipe. A half a teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post links to that recipe down below in the description box. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And last but not least, the star of the show, the sweet potatoes. I'm using 1 cup of cooked sweet potatoes that I've mashed. And we're just going to whisk everything together until it's well incorporated. Or you can use a hand mixer if you like. Alright, as soon as I get through mixing everything, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing everything together. Nice, smooth, and whipped. I can smell the sweet potatoes and the pumpkin pie spice. Look at that beautiful orange color. Alright, now we're ready to pour the batter into the pan. We're going to pour half of the batter in a 9 by 13 inch long baking pan that I greased with baking spray. Alright, so now we're going to sprinkle the brown sugar walnut topping that we made earlier. Sprinkle it right on top. I love the smell of cinnamon. Smells like fall up in this kitchen. Alright, so now we're going to pour the rest of the batter right on top. I'm just going to spread it evenly. Alright, and as soon as I get through spreading the cake batter, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to put this sweet potato honey bun cake in the oven. We're going to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 40 to 45 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. I have taken my sweet potato honey bun cake out of the oven, nice and golden brown. So now we're going to let the cake cool completely. And as soon as it cools, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our cake is nice and cool. Now it's time for the fun part. Time to give it some sugar. Over here in my bowl, I made a glaze, which is 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And I stir all them together until it's well incorporated. It's nice and thick. Here we go. Woo! Yeah. Oh, sugar, sugar. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Sweet potato honey bun cake. Don't that look delicious? Alright, so now I'm going to let the glaze harden, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You can see the brown sugar and the walnut filling. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. Look at that. The cake is airy and fluffy, and the brown sugar filling just melts in your mouth. I can taste the sweet potatoes and the spices. This reminds me of eating a sweet potato pie and a honey bun. This sweet potato honey bun cake is amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Sweet potato honey bun cake delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.